welcome back to my channel. This is Robin with Beauty and Style, and today we are doing an unboxing of 15 pairs of shoes from Thredup that I got for $80. So I already opened it, so save some time. So let's get into this and see if I got another winter box or a dud box or a half and half box. Let's see. Hope I got some good ones in here. Like last time. I almost sold out of all those shoes from my first box. So let's see what we got in the second box. Here's some of this paper. Okay. Well, these are Faded Glory. They're not going to be all that good. Here's the other one. I mean, you know, the soles are pretty good, but they're size 8. I don't know about them. I think these are a dud, maybe. Okay, here we have a New Day with the snakeskin look. The toe is kind of messed up there, kind of worn. The sole looks pretty good. It's an 8.5. Here's its mate. This toe is fine. This toe's messed up. I don't know about those either. Let's see. See if I can find the other one of these. Here we go. There's some booties. Zip up. They look to be in pretty good shape. They're size 10. What are they? Who do they by? Turn on a light, maybe that'll help. Let's see. Delicated. I think that's what that says inside there. If y'all can see that, I don't know if you can or not. But they look to be pretty good. Not too bad. They're suede. Got a little bit of scuffing on the heel here. Yeah. A little bit of dirt, but maybe I can clean these up. We'll see what the comps are. I don't know. Never heard of those. Here is some aerosols. The outside looks pretty good. Let's look on the inside. Not so good. They're an 8.5 medium, but they're kind of peely on the inside right here, and you can hear it. So these are not, no, these are not good. Those are a dud. Well, what are these? Move some more paper out the way. Where is the other one? Out there. Here we have some cute blue heels. Looks like a block heel, but we got a little boo-boo right there. These are Steve Madden. Is that upside down for y'all? No, Steve Madden. Heels pretty good. Just this little gouge is a bummer, but maybe I can fix it where it won't look so bad. Let's say the size somewhere. It's a 7 medium. So right down in there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they're not in too bad a shape. Got a little bit of a scuff on this heel too, but other than that, not too bad. These are pretty good. I'm gonna put the ones that are sellable maybe over here. The ones that are questionable here. Okay, well, these look cheap. Accent Creek sandals. These. And I've got to find the other one. Not sure where the other one is. Well, we'll just put this off to the side. Oh, here's another Steve Madden. They're different. Black ones. Steve Madden. These look to be pretty good. Well, this one anyway. Not sure on the size. Oh, here it is. This is 7.5. Right in there. Let's see. Here's the other one. This needs to be cleaned. The heels look pretty good. Not that bad a wear on the heels. Not too bad. These are pretty good. And here's some boots. I wonder if these are my size. I could use a pair of this color boot. These sound kind of funny. Hopefully they're not messing up. Oh yes, they're peely on the inside. I can't sell something peely like that. And there are Vince Camuto, but they're a bit peely on the inside. I don't know, y'all. Don't even know what size they are, but I wouldn't feel comfortable selling something that was peely. It's pretty peely down there. I don't like that. Oh, here's the other sandal. I don't think I get much money out of that. Here's the other boot. That rubber band around it. See if they're just as peely on the inside. Well, this one here is not as peely, but this one's in better shape than the other one. I don't know. I don't think so. I think those I can't sell anything with peely. Here we have some Vans, and they just need to be cleaned up a little bit. Inside's kind of dirty. Sole's pretty good. Not too bad a wear on the heels or in the front. They just need a lot of cleaning up. Let's see. They're size 7. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go, size 7. I don't do too bad on Vans. What are these so far? No, nothing like I got before. I'm not sure. Something Morrison. Made in Italy. They're 7.5. Where's the other one now? Maybe I can. I don't know. I can't read. A lot of it's worn off. Something Morrison, so I'll have to check that out. They're not peely or nothing. Maybe these are a good thing. Just gotta get some of the pebbles off the heels and stuff. Other than that, looks pretty good. We'll see. I was just looking at what they said on the sole. I don't know. Put these over here because I'm not sure. And here we have some more heels. I love the cutout of them. These are black velvet. And they're coming apart. They're coming apart. Watch them be a good pair. Not their Top Shop. Top Shop. I don't know if y'all can see the Top Shop written in there, but it also has it right there. I wish it wasn't peeling right there. I'm coming apart. Maybe I can fix it. Never know. But other than that, they look to be in pretty good shape. I mean, the heels aren't too bad. Not much scuffing or anything. It's just that, you know, the leather and stuff's coming apart. I'm not sure what size these are. Does it say down here? Where would it say what size? $38. I don't know. I'll have to check these out a little bit more, see if they can be repaired somehow. I don't think so. That's maybe 3 pairs of not sellable shoes so far. Here we go. Another pair of boots. Let's see how good a shape these are and who they're by. Look pretty nice on the outside. It's got fabric here. It's got like a buckle there. Adrian Vedeni, and however I pronounce that. Hopefully these are good. Stretchy. Doesn't feel like dry rot. Didn't hear that in there. Did I say what size they were? Size 7. Size 7. So maybe these are salvageable and I can sell these. These are really cute. I like those. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. Not bad. What are these? These are, it says a 3.5, but they also have a 6 label on there. These are kennel schemers or skimagers, whatever, from Germany. They might be sellable. I mean, they might be worth some money. Made in Germany. Front of them aren't too worn. The back of the heels aren't too bad. And that part isn't too bad. Kind of a suede, kind of a camouflage with pearls. Let's see. We have a pair of flat sandals. They're J. Crew. Let me see. Put those down, Matt. Right there, you can see the J. Crew. And they're a size 7. Bottoms need to be cleaned up a bit. This one here's kind of has a shape to it, but you can always fix that. And these might be salvageable, and I might be able to get a couple bucks out of these. I don't know. We'll see. And we got a pair of boots. Timberlands. Now these are good. They just need to be a little bit cleaned up because they're a little dirty. But not too bad. See, genuine leather, size 39 or an 8 medium in the US. Leather, man-made, lining, man-made outside. That's good. At least I got a pair that, you know, worth something, Timberlands. So that's good. I got, you know, some shoes in here that I can possibly make my money back out of. But this box was nothing like my last box. My last box was great. I still haven't sold the London flies, the Fly Londons, whatever they are called. I haven't sold them yet, but I've sold almost all my other ones. So I've made my money back with profit on the last box. So that's good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6 for sewing. Get my money back. 7. Did I say that? Am I right? Let me count. Over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11 pairs of shoes that I can sell to get my money back. I'm not too sure about these because of the separation of the leather and stuff. And then we have 1, 2, and 3 pairs that not so good. And then we have the 2 pair here that are peeling that I'm not even gonna attempt to try. So other than that, that was my shoe unboxing. I hope you like this content. If you do like this kind of content, please hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate that. It helps my channel. And wish me luck on selling what I've got in this box I put in here that I think is sellable, except for these. I'm not sure. I wish they were my size, I'd wear them, but then this heel would kill me. But I know where to wear them, so oh well. But they're cute. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you on the next unboxing or what sold. Whatever comes up first. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.